All right, so we're looking at a 2014 Hyundai Accent, and I'm going to show you how to replace the plastic bushing that goes on this end of the control lever where it slides onto this plastic pin. The bushing looks like this. See that? It's small, and it is Hyundai part number H467811, M as in Mike, 000, right? So let's get, and this likely corresponds to all 4th generation Hyundai Accents in the USA, which corresponds to model years 2011 through 2018. And the way I recommend installing the bushing is to slide the control lever off the pin, and then stick the bushing into that eyelet, right? It's kind of flexible. And then after you do that, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put the camera down and do it. And after you get it onto the eyelet, then you slide the whole thing onto that pin. As you can see, I have the bushing on the eyelet, and now I'm gonna slide the whole thing onto that pin, just like that. And now it's not coming out because the pin has a bit of a groove. See that groove right there, which catches on that bushing, and that's it. And so now you just gotta put all your trim back, right? And don't forget, when you're doing work, usually you want to go ahead and unplug the negative battery terminal, so you don't, sort of safety first, right? Plastic clips on the console cover. So right, you see this clip. Yeah, this, as you can see, I broke all my clips, so I glued it together. But that clip, which looks like that, goes right in there. Okay, this corner piece and that corner piece right there, those clip onto here and here respectively. There's this side clip which goes right into this hole right here. All right, you see this giant clip goes into that hole. That's the clip I was showing you earlier. Right, this one right here. One that you gotta squeeze. It's the same style that's in here and here. And then I believe there's one on the front. Yep, and it goes right into this hole. Right there. Okay. There's the other one. Okay. Floor front console, this piece, right? So there's 2 clips right around here and on the other side as well. And then here there's another clip that goes right, it points in that direction, and it kind of needs to be pinched, right? So I'd recommend sort of pulling. Obviously you got to remove the little fastener there, but then I would recommend sort of pulling from here first and then working your way up to here, and then you can sort of see the clip in there and sort of pinch it. All right, maybe with some needle nose, whatever you got. And that's it. In terms of clips, that's it. And then obviously you fasten it down there. And then this guy, this front, the console front bezel, it's just got these 4 clips. Let me get a good shot of that. See those clips? That's the style of them. There you go. That's the side profile. And they're all like that. So it's got 2 on top, 1 on each side, and then 2 on the bottom. So you can see that's how you get rid of those. So you would need to sort of push inward, right, with your little with your whatchamacallit, your trim tools, right? So obviously that just sort of clips into there. When you're gonna remove the front console plastic, there's these 2 tabs here. There's one here. Let me focus that this tab, and there's one on this side, right? This one right here. All right, and they slide into here and there respectively. But they can be kind of difficult to get out, so when you're pulling it out, just be mindful about that. And if you have a pry tool, you may be able to just sort of apply a little bit of pressure with your pry tool to kind of squeeze these tabs together to make it easier to release. Here I'm showing you the clips on this the rear center console piece. This one happens to be the one with the armchair, the armrest. But I'm guessing the clips in the front are going to be universal, or regardless of which model. But what you have is these little tabs, one here, one there. So obviously it's upside down right now, so that's what it looks like. So those just sort of slide up, and those are easy to damage. This plastic is that's the type of plastic right there, right? Letters PP, TD20. So that's how you know what kind of glue you need in case you break it. But here are the clips on the top, right? So obviously it's upside down, so these point downwards. You got one on each side. This is the same kind of clip that I was showing you earlier on the front bottom console. So these, obviously need to be pinched like that to pull them out. So it's upside down right now, so this is what it would be like right side up, right? Just like that, pointing downwards. Those are the only clips on this thing. The rest of it is just pretty much a solid piece. Doesn't really clip into anything else. You just obviously screw it down there into the body of the vehicle.